Good evening, students. Like last time, how we took two tenses, simple past tense and simple future tense. Today again we are going to take two more tenses, that is simple future tense and past continuous tense. So let us start without wasting time. First of all, we'll see what is the structure arrangement of simple future tense. That is subject plus shall will plus first verb plus object. You may ask that, so what is the difference between shall and will? Shall, usually you keep it with first person singular and plural because it shows surety, and will with other persons shows determination. So this is the basic funda or basic difference, or you may say basic bifurcation of shall and will with reference to the subject or persons, first, second, third person. If you want to make it negative, it is subject plus shall will plus not plus first verb plus object. With putting not, it becomes negation. If you want to keep it interrogative, you put shall will before the subject. So shall will plus subject plus first verb plus object plus interrogative mark. Okay. Now there are examples, but before studying the example, let us understand the uses. Okay. So first of all, simple future tense is used to predict future event. Any course of action which is going to take place in future, we describe it through simple future tense. Then to express willingness. Okay, if you are willing to do something, you may use simple future tense. Like say for example, I will handle all the arrangements in the party. That means you are willing to handle all the arrangements in the party. You described it through simple future tense. So it expresses willingness. Then to show suggestions. Say for example, shall we go to the cinema tonight? Okay, we are asking for suggestion. Don't forget to keep question mark at last. Then with you in the interrogative form to give an invitation. Will you come to the dance with me? So we are officially inviting someone to dance. Okay, so that's how you used this simple future tense. Now let us see examples. They will celebrate his birthday tomorrow. We shall open our bank account next Monday. If you want to compare it with sentence formation, we is subject, shall, then verb form, open, then the rest is object. Here Rahul shall sing for us. Rahul subject, then shall, then sing is the verb. Okay, for us. For who? For us. So this is what simple future tense means. Basically, any basic course of action which is going to take place in future, you describe it through simple future tense. Now we are done with the simple tenses. We are done with simple past. We are done with simple present, and now we have completed simple future. Now moving next is the continuous tenses. Past continuous, present continuous, and future continuous. So today we'll take past continuous tense. Maybe next time we'll take present continuous tense and future continuous tense. Okay. So like the word suggests, continuous, that means any action which you're going to show which is running but in the past. So any course of action when you want to show it which is running, you use verb ing. Okay. So the sentence structure for past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object, affirmative. To make it negative, simply put not after was were, then verb ing and object. Then if you want to make it interrogative, you put was were before the subject. Okay, and then verb ing plus object plus interrogative mark. So it will make your sentence as a question mark. Okay. Let us understand the uses first. An action in the past which overlaps another action or a time. So that means already an action was going on when another action took place. Okay, I was walking to the station when I met John. So what was the course of action which was already going on? Walking towards the station. And exactly then what happened? I happened to meet John. Okay, so you use the word when if you want to show another action taking place while one action already going on. Then past habits that happened more often. She was constantly singing. Like say for example, I used to go for a walk every night after dinner. We used to attend parties together during college days. So these are the course of action which were in the form of habits that happened more often in the past. Okay, then to emphasize that something lasted for a while. I was reading all evening. That means something in the past went on for a longer period of time. Okay, so let us see examples. I was working at 3 o'clock. Okay, I is subject, was verb ing, when at 3 o'clock. Then he was always leaving the tap running. Okay, then the birds were singing beautifully. So this is the example of past continuous tense. I hope you have quickly revised this tenses. So far we have done 4 tenses, that is simple past, simple present, simple future and past continuous. I hope last time the worksheet which I sent to you have worked upon it. Today again I am going to send you the worksheet for these 2 tenses. It may also cover the first 2 tenses that we have covered. So solve it, and if you have any doubts I am always available for you. Thank you so much.